Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to use this on my head. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we are going to do the doTERRA LRP unboxing for April. Really excited. This is like Christmas in a box, as I've mentioned in other videos, because there's amazing surprises in here that will help you maintain a lifestyle of wellness. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So we're going to cut it open like so. Boom. Oh yeah, okay, we got the bubble wrap up and fill. Yeah, get it on and popping, okay? I will have a list down in the description area below of which products I paid for and which products I got for free, as well as the product of the month, so you can get more education on that. And let's talk about that. Wow, yeah, we got some cards here. Melissa, hey now, and a thank you from Healing Hands Foundation. So if you don't donate to them, make sure to do so. Alright, so let's start off with some of the products. So we have the doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack. We have the vegan version. Hey, now, these are the 3 amigos, as I call it. They also have a regular version. But Microplex VMZ is a whole food multivitamin and nutrient supplement for you. Fills in the gap from the Standard American Diet or SAD or SAD diet. And as you can see, the ingredients are here. Lots of plant-based ingredients that are easily absorbable by your body. And then when you get to the bottom here, proprietary whole food blend, as well as enzymes to support breaking down of foods. And then the tummy tamer blend to support digestion. So lots of great ingredients here for your body. And one of 3 amigos. Next we have the VE Omega. So this is the omega 3, 6, and 9 essential fatty acids. You can see the ingredients are here. So you have lots of plant-based ingredients to get those. Again, fills in the gap from what your diet is missing. Even if you eat healthy, you have a carotenoid blend as well as CPTG essential oil blend with a number of essential oils in there. So again, and these help your brain, joint, as well as muscle function. They support all that. Second amigo of 3. And lastly, we have the Alpha CRS Plus here. This is a plant-based natural way to support the mitochondria, which are like the little engines in your cells, for energy without sugar, without caffeine, which is really important. And so you can see here plant-based botanical extracts, a cellular energy blend, as well as the tummy tamer blend. So there is a focus on digestion. There is a focus on cellular support with these 3 amigos right here. That's right. There you go. I take these daily in a capsule holder for AM and PM, and they are amazing. I take them in the AM with my green smoothie, and then in the afternoon, early afternoon, before dinner, so that way I have sustainable energy throughout the day. Next, let's talk about what else we got. I have been missing some of these oils because I have been running out. So I am excited. Alright, so next we have the Fractionated Coconut Oil. I got 3 of them. That's right, 3 of the Fractionated Coconut Oil. This is odorless, non-greasy, topical application to moisturize your skin and help the essential oils absorb better and reduce the chance of irritation of the essential oils when applying topically. So I put, some squirts in my hands after a shower, rub it all over my body, my head, arms, legs, stomach, back, everywhere I can, basically get to. So it supports moisturizing your skin and reducing the chance of irritation from essential oils and helping the essential oils drive deeper into your cells. Very, very important. There we go. Next, the On Guard hand wash. Would have liked to have gotten more, but they put limits on this stuff now. So yeah, due to the thing going out there in the world. And this is a great thing for the foaming hand wash dispenser that I have in my kitchen and bathrooms. And this will support your immune system in a non-toxic and green way, as well as sustainable way. And I love the foaming hand wash. It has a great feel, and this is a really great option to have. Next, we have some supplements. We have the TerraZymes right here. So these are active enzymes, and I'll show you the ingredients here. And these help break down fats, carbs, sugars, proteins, fibers in your body. And these are really important. There's also a tummy tamer blend, again, supporting digestion. I take these Usually the rule of thumb is you take 1 capsule if your meal is 1/3 cooked, 2 if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and 3 of these capsules if your meal is completely cooked. And the ideal time to take it is 30 minutes before you eat, so that the enzymes lay a bed of enzymes in your stomach area, and then the food falls on top of it. There you go. So I take these daily. And then PB Assist is the probiotics with prebiotics, which you can see right here in the ingredients. So prebiotics feed the probiotics. It's double encapsulated to make sure it passes through the stomach acid layer and they land intact and alive in your small intestines to support your digestion as well as your immune system. And so probiotics are very important, importante, especially during these times, but also just to maintain wellness. Next, oh, we actually have another fractionated coconut oil. Can't get enough of this. Love it. And then we have shampoo. That's right, shampoo. And you're like, Lance, how? Again, why? Why the shampoo? Don't you? I don't know if you can tell, but you don't have too much up top there. It's because I use it for a body wash, and it's actually a really great body wash dispenser, and it comes in a more economical size. And if you have hair, wherever that may be, it's good to shampoo that as well. Well, yeah, my personal primary use is a body wash, and it goes great with my loofah. I have like a rag loofah, which is amazing, and it gets to all the hard to reach areas. And this helps to set it up and clean it up too. And it smells good too. Love it. It's got wild orange, lime, other plant-based natural stuff in here too. Then we have, I needed some deep blue samples. This rub is amazing, especially after running or working out. When I go to the park now instead of my gym at the LVAC, because, you know, it's been temporarily closed. But yeah, this is great to support muscles and joints. Provides a nice cooling sensation to drive attention to that area so you can, you know, move quicker and better in the future. So deep blue, amazing, love it. But yeah, this is what they look like. These are the samples. These are samples I send out to people. Yeah, that's what they look like. Boop. It's like maybe 1 or 2 uses, and that's the actual essential oil, what it looks like. So yeah, put that back for later. Really popular item with doTERRA, the deep blue in general. And the rub, especially, love that one. Now let's go into the oils. See, we have here a number of them. Let's just open them. I love the sound of this, right? Just, oh yeah, just start popping them too. Like, oh yeah, just therapeutic. It's bubble wrap therapy, especially during these times. So when you combine the essential oils and bubble wrap popping therapy, I mean, it's a good combination. I'm just saying. Citrus oils galore. We're just going to open them all up. That's how I do. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Hang on. All right, here we go. Probably easier way to open that, but these are all the oils I was running out of. All right. So, any repeats here? Let's see. No, they're all look unique here. Yep, they're all unique. So, we'll just cover all 4 of these at the same time. So, we have lemon, wild orange, lime, as well as Clementine. Clementine is the product of the month, and it's great because it comes in a large size. And I use these for my bottled waters. So you want to use glass or stainless steel or ceramic for any essential oil that is citrus base. And then if you go outside and you've applied any essential oil that is citrus based, you want to make sure to use sun protection. So that's the disclaimer for the essential oils. And I put about, I mean, I really like mixing it up. So you want 1 drop per 4 ounces of doTERRA oil if you're taking it internally for liquids. So if I have a 16-ounce empty kombucha bottle that I filled with reverse osmosis or alkaline water, I'll put a little bit of organic apple cider vinegar in there, and I'll put 1 drop of each because it's 1 drop per 4 ounces, and if it's a 16-ounce container, then that would work great. And this would be an amazing flavor, like clementine, lime, wild orange, and lemon. And actually after this, I'm actually going to go do that. I fill up multiple empty kombucha bottles at a time with that reverse osmosis or alkaline water. I also put some plant-based fulvic and humic trace minerals in there to fill in the gap, even from what vitamins and minerals don't provide. And then I'll put these in there. So these are supporting your organs of elimination, like your kidneys and your liver. It's helping to detox your body. These are supporting your immune system, which is especially important during these times, I would just say. And you know, these help you to stay ready, not get ready. So that way you're always good. And they're very uplifting when you smell them aromatically, and you can use them to clean your hands, clean surfaces. So many purposes with these individual oils, and you know, each one comes with a different flavor profile, chemical constituent profile, smell. But I love all these because they're so great. Love them all. There you go. There's some more too, right? But these are some of my faves, and I'm glad I got them. I can't wait to use them. Lastly, we have lavender and peppermint. So peppermint are good to just, you know, take a drop, put it on top of your hand, and lick it. Will support mental alertness and focus, digestion. And then you have lavender here, which is very calming, relaxing, supports your skin. And so this is great. I love using these, especially after and before a shower, or after I shower. As a part of my skin routine, I'll use like this, this, and then a melaleuca, like 1 drop of each of these, and then the fractionated coconut oil first. So pretend there's melaleuca right here from doTERRA, and then this. So rub this all over my head and face, and then 1 drop of each of these plus the melaleuca, which is pretend invisible here, and then there you go. And that supports my skin health and keeps it clear, which is really important for making videos on YouTube, but also confidence and things like that. And the next step for me is to basically open up all these containers to get them use ready, because what I want to do is remove the barriers to use, and that's very important, and place these in places where I can't help but use them, because everything has a place, and it's important for everything to be in its place so that when I need to use it, I know the place to go. There you go. And that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video. Can't wait to use this on my head.